Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I will be replacing my ignition coil. Guys, the ignition coil in this special model, like the Audi A3, sometimes it gives a bit of problems because this is too close to the engine, and as you know, the engine is hot and sometimes this starts cracking. This one, for example, is the original one of this car, and I just can't drive with this because I have a check engine light, and when I connect the machine to read the codes, I have misfire in three cylinders. So basically with that I can't drive the car. The one that is installed right now, a friend of mine gave me, but also have some issues. The function of the ignition coil is to transform the voltage from the battery into high voltage necessary to form the spark. So guys, there is common issues when the ignition coil is failing. For example, in my case, I have a rough idle. I have another issue that is also really common, that is exhaust firing. You know, when you press the accelerator, you hear it backfiring. These symptoms could be other problems, of course, but it's always good to check the ignition coils. So guys, in the Audi A3, in my module, of course, the ignition coil is right here. But the first thing that I truly recommend you to do is to mark where the cables goes with a bit of tape and a marker. Just mark, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, in order not to change it, because if you change it, your car probably will not start. So guys, put a bit of tape, a marker, and as you wish, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So let's go. For example, this one is the 1. This one, the 2. This one right here, 3. And this one, 4. If you want, also take a picture so you don't mistake on this. Before you start, disconnect the battery, okay? All you need to do right now is to disconnect cables. After we unplug the cables, you have a connector that you can remove right now, or you can remove it later. So we can now remove it by unscrewing these 3 screws. You can easily do this by yourself, and you can save a bit of money. So guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.